Bubble? Can you say bubble? Can you say grandma? Can you say gamma? Can you say book? Can you say baby? Can you say apple? Apple. Apple. Can you say papa? Do you want to get in? Apple? Baby. Mommy.
Mama.
Book. Ball.
No.
Grandma. Bubble.
Mama.
Bee. Did you just eat an old Cheerio? Cheerio. Bee. Can you say buh? Say budget? Budget. Budget.
No.
Let me see those teeth.
Sure.
Can I see those teeth? Can you smile? No?
Bird.
Where are you going?
No.
Be careful.
No.
Book.
No.
Book.
No.
Can you say Elmo? Elmo? Mama.
No.
Oh, you want me to read it to you? Woof. Uh-oh. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss first?
No.
No, you just want me to read you the book?
No.
Can you say cat?
Yeah.
Dog? Can you say Cody? Book.
No.
Baby.
Baby.
Bubble.
No.
Bubble?
No.
Mama? Mama? You over this game? Alright, I love you. Bye-bye.